Yeah, good morning. So today we'll be covering amendments in Finance Act 2020, and I will be covering the first amendment here. Amendment came with rate to rates of surcharge. Finance Act 2020 amendment came for rates of surcharge. Rates of surcharge of 1920 and 2021 are same except one new point has been added. Surcharge rates for financial year 1920 and financial year 2021 are same except one new point. Let us see what is the new point and what are the surcharge rates we have. Everyone, just see this screen. See this screen, please. Everyone. Open your chart where you have surcharge rates noted down. If you have attended my sessions, you will have the surcharge rates. Exactly the same what was written. Listen. If you are company and the company is Indian company or domestic company, up to 1 crore no surcharge, 1 to 10 crores 7%, more than 10 crores 12%. If it is foreign company, 2% and 5%. Who is paying more surcharge, Indian company or foreign company? In company. Government says Ray, but we are leaving 40% tax for foreign companies. We are leaving 40%. There is no change for companies. Now come to firm, LLP, AJP, cooperative society. Up to 1 crore, no surcharge. More than 1 crore, this also remains the same. Now come to individual, HUF, AOP, BOI and all. Up to 50 lakhs, no surcharge. More than 50 lakhs up to 1 crore, 10%. More than 1 crore up to 2 crores, 15%. More than 2 crores and that income belongs to 112A, 11A, it is 15%. And other income, 15% is 15%, 25 and 37 if the income is more than 5 crores. Extra point they have added is, if the income is more than 2 crores and the income comprises of 112A income, long-term capital asset, listed stock market, 111A short-term, they have added one more income here, dividend income. Reason is, prior to Finance Act 2020, company was liable to pay DDT and dividend was exempt in the hands of shareholder. But by my Honorable Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman reversed. Finance Act 2020 says, which I will cover in tax and dividend chapter, when company declares dividend, company, you don't pay DDT and we will tax the shareholder. Till now it was reverse concept. Company, you pay DDT, shareholder, for you it is exempt. But from Finance Act 2020, with effect from 1/4/2020, amendment by Honorable Finance Minister says, dividend, if declared by company, company will not pay DDT and it is taxable in the hands of shareholder. So when you have 2 crores, 112A income, 111 income, add one more here, dividend income. Please add this. Those who are watching online or through YouTube, you can copy this particular chart. This is the rates of surcharge applicable for May 21 examination as well as November 21 examination. Important when you do problems for PGBP, capital gains or any other chapter, surcharge you should know as a CA final student. So the only amendment is 112A income, 111A income and dividend surcharge 15. So listen now. I can conclude. Surcharge on 111A income, 112A income and dividend will not exceed 15%. That's the maximum surcharge for these three incomes. Which three incomes I forgot? 112A, 111A and dividend income. If you have any doubts in this particular chart, you can refer my surcharge rates lecture which already sent to you or uploaded in YouTube as well. Any questions on the surcharge rates? Amendment is this. या डिविडेंड ऐड करो, बोर करो, उसके बाद ये सेंटेंस कॉपी कर लो. What is the maximum surcharge? 37%. But maximum surcharge for 112A income, 111A income and dividend income will only be 15%. This is the amendment. From now on, I will be creating small videos for amendments and also sharing with you guys, so that 1 day, 2 days before exam, you can revise your choice. That option I will give you guys. Okay. So let's see you. Have a nice day. We'll see you in the next amendment lecture, and it will be uploaded as well. Thank you so much.